Welcome everyone, here's how you add a new Gmail account to your iPhone. If you're watching with an older Gmail account, that works, no problem. So you're going to open up the settings app, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see mail. You're then going to find accounts and you'll see add account right here. If you do not see this option, that means you are running an older version of iOS, but to keep you covered, you load up settings, you find passwords and accounts, and then you tap on add account. And you can see you'll be brought to the exact same view. So from here you will see Google, tap on Google, and then from here it will bring you to the sign in page. So if you already have a Gmail account which you have created, you just enter in the username and password in this field right here. If you need to create a new Gmail account, tap on create account, and then from here follow the on-screen instructions. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.